Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to another day, another video of me building my app. And on this journey so far, we have covered a lot of things. And as you know, last day I was, doing the setup for my iOS app release, and I was doing the payments. My payments part was done. My app store needed to be activated, and the good thing is only yesterday evening only I got the email from Apple that my account has been activated and I can start publishing apps and doing things. So today's goal is all clear, all set. iOS, deploy, and nothing else, because I know this is my first time deploying an app to the App Store, and it will take me good time, because there would be potentially some issues. I mean, if there are no issues, that would be really great for me, but I know there would be issues because I have faced it in case of Play Store, and I completely know that App Store won't go easy on me. So I need to try to wrap up all the things related to my iOS release today, hopefully. And since yesterday I also completed on the app screenshots, I hope they I can utilize the same ones for my iOS app release. But in case I cannot utilize that, I would have to generate new ones just for iOS app release. So let's start today's day. Yep. Yeah, well, issues have started to come up, guys. So guys, I fixed the screenshot problem that was happening. Oh, sorry, app icon problem. So I actually went to the app icon generator. You can easily find it on the internet, but if you still want me to tell you, it is like this. So here you can upload your app icon and it can generate for you iPhone, iPad, Android, all the icons set and perfect image sizes and all. So after I updated it, I am again archiving my app for the release. But one thing you need to make sure when you are archiving your application is always use a physical device, like I am using my iPhone. And do not use an emulator, because it will create issues, or maybe your build won't proceed. So because you have to release on a physical device right now. And also make sure one thing that I'm going to show you, that in your edit schema, from here you need to go into schema. You can do edit schema, and always make sure that your release thing is selected before. If you are in the debug mode, make it to release. So okay guys, I think I have come to my last release was failed, but this one I'm going to click on distribute again. So let's see what happens. So guys, my build part is done and my testing thing is finally went onto the App Store Connect. And from here now few things are left, like to preview screenshots I have to add, and my copyright URLs, or maybe preview URLs, sign in required, and a lot of other things, contact information and app release, version release. And but the main part of putting the my bundle onto the App Store is done. There was only one issue I faced, that was regarding my iPad app icon that was not available, which I solved with the app icon generator. Thanks. I mean, these kind of websites like app icon generator, icon scout, the things I'm sharing are really gems on the internet. And it really, if you have to do these things manually, I really tell you that it will take you a lot more time, but these websites make it a lot easier. So guys, after a lot of work and things didn't went as I planned. The screenshots I created yesterday for the Android didn't were accepted in the iOS. So I have to create every I mean, the theming and everything was same, but the size was not accepted. So I had to create each of the screenshots customly for the iPhone 6.5, 6.9, And then for the iPad also I had to create all the screenshots. Now if you are wondering how I created these cool looking screenshots and this much color and brightness, so some was I took some inspiration from platforms and things that were already present on the internet. And I think I love the most beautiful tool that I have loved in the past few years is Canva. I think this is beauty. I mean, Canva is just the best tool I would have ever used for designing. I have literally zero experience in design, but I could create awesome things using Canva. And if I say I would use a professional software like Adobe, I would have shitted my brain. But Canva, I mean, you are the best guy. You I think the founder of the Canva deserves an applause for the product she has created in 14 years of hard work. That this beautiful product, I was able to design everything. I mean, everything that I do on the designing part, whether it's creating my thumbnails, whether it's creating my app screenshots, app icons, anything, I have taken every help from Canva. And then for UI UX design, Figma. I think if you know some things about these tools and you know how to use it, you can create anything on it. Though some inspiration is required, you need to look out for the other designs. But once you take inspiration from from those designs, and you have some experience, you understand a little bit from hit and trial, you can create absolutely any design. You don't need any kind of help from designer. Okay, I understand if you are a professional, you have money, you can hire a good designer. I mean, I won't say I can compare myself to a professional designer. Of course, he or she would be much better using more variety of tools. But if you are a solo person, individual person developing anything, I think these tools are like angels to mankind or developers like me. So great thing. So with the help of them, I was able to create my screenshots. I have put everything, description and everything is done. Now the only part that is left is to save and maybe do some more compliance things and review things, and then we will good to go for adding it for review by the iOS team. So guys, finally my app is fully not fully, but partially on the iOS app store. And if you iOS users, if you want access for this application, give me your emails, I will add you as a tester. But one thing, make sure you need to download this test flight application. I think they will send you an email, and then you will understand what you need to do once I add you the tester. And I mean, I'm so happy. Like I just used my application on iOS from the test flight, and it's working super great. So guys, I think just the release part is left to be once it is reviewed by the app store, then I would be able to go live on app store on for the iOS devices. So guys, I will be wrapping up the day today with a lot of things that I did. As I promised, I will be completing the App Store deployment process, and I did that. Apart from that, not only I pushed my application for the iOS release, now currently which is in review but available for testing for the people. I've also managed to, something that was blocking for a very long time, that was the notification thing for iOS. Once I did that setup for my App Store release, I also, have fixed the notification thing for the iOS. It's working fine. Some of the keys needed to be registered for it. I did that, and some configs need to be uploaded. So after doing that, everything is now working perfectly fine, and my iOS app is getting notifications for every message it gets. So thank you guys for being a part of this journey. Keep watching these videos, and like, share, subscribe to my channel. And if you want early access of the application, do drop your emails. By the way, we will be launching, the launch date is also coming near. and we will launching in 6-7 days. Yeah, that is the card.